I didn't know today was any different than a regular old fishing day, but little do I know, it's Hari Raya. Guess saying luas mancing harus menyiapkan apa? Lawar? And bayi mau susu. The chelang, the pig.
Mana MemeJegeg? Lenga chelang is in the dead.
Meme sing lenga chelang. Look up. Oh boy. Orang Amerika ngerti. Chelang kerja. Chelang tanpa darah. You just take api and you brush it on the chelang here and bersih. Apa itu? Oh, it must be like bensin, minyak. Untuk sosis?
Yeah, sosis.
Melo nampak sing masuk berpedi lah.
Must be the stomach. Is it menari?
Oh, fotonya jadi ibu. Meme.
Apa?
Ini potret alu.
Oh, cantik. Oh, Tusanya. And there's that bayi again. Bayi bisa Tusanya. What's coming? The stomach?
All out.
The stomach is all coming out. Oh, it is. All of it. Bana. Liu. Look at all that stuff. Oh. Not much left in that stomach here.
Yeah, stomach.
Get every bit. Oh, cut it off here.
Lawar.
John Gotti.
Blood lawar.
Coconut?
Yes, and coconut, chili.
Chili?
What do you call it again?
What is it? Special for
Suckling.
Yeah,
for
suckling pig.
Ceremony in what do you call it in
I don't know. What do you call it in English?
Temple.
Temple. Okay, poor.
A temple, a family temple.
Karna hari ini apa?
Pardon?
Hari ini apa? Hari Raya apa?
Hari Raya Tumpek.
Artine apa bahasa Inggris?
Tumpek.
Nian bisa bahasa Inggris untuk menjelaskan.
Yes, ceremony the night.
Ceremony untuk
Ceremony, Tumpek ceremony.
untuk ini special for Pohan.
Boat, the boat.
Boat. Oh, photo. You're right. Photo. Wait. Andiang. Let's get that stick through there. Aha. They did it. The stick is through. Suba? Untuk apa? Or the vegetables are going in the pig. It's like stuffing. Ada di Amerika untuk kalkun. Okay. Those are up. Now we've got a coconut here. What's the coconut going to do? Oh, untuk two. Always people coming down with carrying big loads of stuff. What's this one? Engken ada siap. Engken. Untuk apa? Oh, you just take a piece of bamboo. I bet untuk nyari.
Yeah.
MemeJegeg. Okay, you just put some holes in it with your knife, and then you take your piece of bamboo and you sew it up. Okay, just sew it up like this. Put a hole in it. Animera, record. Rekam. Sudah?
Sudah.
Meme in the video?
No.
Okay. Terima kasih. Now, ngai apa? Sosis. Misi apa? Apa lagi? Bumbu doga?
Sama daging.
Ah, bumbu and daging. So
Yeah.
spices and meat in this sausage here. John Gotti. Ali bus lala untuk meme. What? Apa very, very good. Apa?
Senang. Agus.
Yeah, wait a second.
Enak.
What did I do? Deman roti?
Roti.
Roti?
Yes, sometimes.
What about kentang? Deman?
Okay.
Well,
You have-
maaf,
you have-
tuang deman.
You have?
I have what?
Yeah,
I
please
have,
you take.
Pizza?
Not
like pizza?
Not understand.
Pizza is ajangan bule. Sing teman?
Jangan boleh. Apa boleh? Apa ada pada pizza?
You don't.
Not hobby, not hobby hot.
What do you mean not hobby up?
Sand and chili, chili because very.
Sing teman?
Very lot chili.
Sing teman?
Not strong, not strong.
Aha. Sama
not
pato meme sing teman.
Not not strong.
No.
Not strong.
In the stomach.
What do you call this one? Like that. Sedap.
Getting cooked here. Okay, see, sudah rekam.
Rekam.
Okay.
Baru satu kali ditekan Bin tekan. Lagi ditekan. Lagi.
No,
Cukup. Oh, berekam itu.
About ready to start the offering thing here. We've got the pig tailing there. Okay, when you're in the fishing village and it's the day that you give thanks for kohan trees and wood products, you give thanks for your jukun, your lots of different offerings besides the pig.
Canang kampung pisang payasan ulung cacan rauk pangkonan anaman gong katur maca rainani makin ulung cacan pisang payasan makan makin kipun arau kacang otonan kuning jero sedang taru katun kale tulisan kak jari makin jadi akhir ini kacang sari ini pengulapan ngajegen nyuriani makin jero sedang taru Diglay sih na.
John berada.
This he's really Lucho. He's pulling Lucho right here. This is what you do after you have upacara is you minum tuak. And we've only just started here.
Lokasi yang Sunda bukan?